The taste of this soup is mind-blowing. I would recommend this soup any day, anytime. Not because I like vegetable. Yes, I like vegetable, but the taste of this soup will get you hooked to this soup. Now let's begin. Into your pot, add your protein of choice. Here I'm using a little bit of liver, beef, cow skin, aka momo. Season them according to your preference and with your best seasoning. Okay, allow it to cook with its own juice. I'll cook this for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes I'll remove the cow skin because I don't want it too soft. After that, I will introduce water to cook the meat until it's 70% done. And here the meat is ready. I'll remove it and set it aside. After that, I'll heat up a pan, add palm oil, allow it to get a little bit hot. I will saute my onions. I will let the onions fry into the oil for 2 to 3 minutes to enable it infuse the sweetness that it has. After that, I'll then reintroduce the protein, stir together to combine. This is the right time for me to add my dry fish. If you're using the hard fish, you can add it while parboiling your protein. After adding the dry fish, I introduced Uziza, also known as locust beans. I will immediately stir together to combine and then cover and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I will introduce the crayfish. Be generous with your crayfish each time you're making Nigerian soup. This is the perfect consistency that I will be going for because I don't want the soup watery. At this point, I'll reintroduce the cow skin and the stockfish I removed earlier. I'll then stir together to combine. And if this is your first time of seeing this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you be among the first to see our videos each time we upload. At this point, we'll allow the cow skin and the stockfish we reintroduce to cook for 3 minutes so it will have the same taste with other proteins. After 3 minutes, we'll introduce the Uziza leaf. You're going to cut it thinly as if you're cutting okazi leaf. After adding the Uziza leaf, I introduce the periwinkle and I will then stir together to combine and allow it to simmer for 2 minutes so the Uziza leaf will infuse its taste into the soup. Here, the next vegetable is fluted pumpkin leaf. Cut it thinly as well and introduce it into the soup. After adding it to the soup, you will stir together to combine. Cover it or leave it open for it to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. This is the right time for me to appreciate my subscribers. You guys are amazing. We just hit above 100 subscribers and I'm loving the process. Thank you very much for your inputs, your corrections, your observations. I love it. Thank you and God bless you. This is after 3 minutes and the soup is ready. You can pair with any swallow of choice. Thank you for watching. Till I meet you in my next one, do have a pleasant day.